How to change date and time on Insta360 X5. So on your device, scroll down to the control panel, then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. Once you come here, scroll down below. Then you'll see date and time option. Tap on it. Now you can tap on the option of date and time directly. You can choose the date first according to your preferences, and then you can tap on this time option on top and then change the time according to your choice. Then tap on this done option at the top right. Now under date format you can tap on it and you can select your preferred date format for your device as well. Once you select it, date format will be changed as well. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.